local businesses in town. And yes, nakikilala niyo na po ba siya? Please join me as we welcome our Uragong Brewski, Conyo Bicolano. Yes, all people are on. Hi, Brewski.
Ay, gagi, pare. Sobrang lit naman yun. Kahit super uran sa luwas. Naka-white shoes pa naman ako. Solo boy. But you guys are so Uragon. Pwede ba natin palakpakan yung mga exhibitors natin? Broski, bakit ka lumalayo sa akin? I'm like mabata ba? Yeah. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, DJ Kitty. Thank you so much, Sir John C. Sa mga honorable guests natin, especially nandito pala yung broski natin from LV. You know LV, it's not Louis Vuitton. It's legit Vinsons. Siyempre, hindi dyan nagpapatali yung hometown ko. Kung yung mga broskis ko sa Luzon, Araneo, Poveda, sa Manila, they have BGC. It's the place to be. It's DGC naman here. Daet Global City. Yan. So, again, sa mga hindi pa I'm so sorry, like, still nami-year hat pa rin ako ngayon. Like, nami-year-rinig pa rin ako. Because your support is so surprising talaga. 1 month ago, congratulations team, we're 13,000 na ngayon. But 1 month ago, we're just dreaming, sir, we're just dreaming mga broskis na sana we could create a content that would showcase not only the talent of mga taga Camarines Norte, but hopefully we could create a platform wherein we could gather yung mga local businesses natin. And I think that yung broski natin si John C. did an amazing job, so good na job in organizing this event together with our broski, si Miss Rachel and the whole SM community at yung mga honorable guests natin, mayors, vice mayors. Yeah, you did an exceptional job because, you know, just to share with you, Conyo Bicolano won't be possible without our local entrepreneurs. If napanood niyo yung first vlog namin, which is the Saldang series, we went to DGC, Daet Global City, to taste all the street foods. Because just like street foods, yung mga orange zigzag neon balls, alam niyo ba yun? Yan, just like those stuff na makikita nyo sa LU, diba, sa Manila, we think that yung mga local products natin dito, including our local vendors, has a big, as in the kulang potential when it comes to national market. And who would have thought, diba, who would have thought na yung mga content namin ngayon is pinapanood na not only ng mga taga-DGC, taga-LV, taga-Camarines Norte, but also our friends from Sorcy, from Sorsogon, from Naga, and we can't believe it. Nakakarating tayo sa Dubai, USA, and Canada. And thank you sa ating social media expert natin, Edwin Taton, right over there, who provided us some analytics. So DJ Kitty, I think that ngayon, I'm just so very nauugma talaga, like super legit pare. Super legit because I think nangyayari na yung gusto namin. Conyo Bicolano is not just a content creator that would provide you kaugmahan. Conyo Bicolano is here to showcase what the Iteños, what Camarines Norte has to offer, not only in the Philippines, but in the world, because we believe we are world-class. Ayan. And speaking of world-class, speaking of our local exhibitors, this coming week, abangan ninyo yung pinakauna naming content outside DGC. Lumabas kami ng DGC. We went out, pumunta kami sa LV, sa legit Vincent's, to really namit the super siram ang angko. And we went like super burat talaga and tasted the Barrex pare. Like super legit, naguguruhin talaga sa daghan. I hope, Mayor, you were able to taste it. Yeah. Abangan niyo yan this coming Friday na. We went sa Vincent's to taste those products and not only to provide yung kaugmahan but to promote these local yung mga local businesses natin. And I hope I think that's it. I don't know what to say, but just thank you super nangingirhat pa rin kami ngayon for all the support. But again, maraming naglalagamong thank you mula sa Konyo Bicolano team. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Konyo Bicolano. And can you please stay here in front in order for you to receive the plaque of appreciation? Or kung gusto mo naman, ang token na lang namin sa iyo is ang lechon ng Sibutchon. Uy, yan. Ayan. Okay, and Sir John will be awarding you the certificate and also will be giving you the token. Okay. Certificate of recognition. Ito yung nakasulat sa kanya, sir. Okay. He said, hereby presented to Konyo Bicolano for his valuable contribution and support to Camarines and Northern local entrepreneurs, tourism, and advocacy, given this 11th day of December 2021 at SM Sibiga at the Christmas Bazaar. Ayan, and it is signed by Sir John Cayetano, Fiona Pineda. Okay. Ayan, thank you so much. Ay, sorry! Ayan. Sorry, naniwala ako dun sa lechon na yung ano niya eh. Ayan.